Does Monzo require SSN? Introduction. Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Monzo. If you're not familiar with Monzo, it's a challenger bank that's been making waves in the UK and Europe. They offer a variety of banking services, including current accounts, debit cards, and overdrafts. But one thing that a lot of people wonder about is whether or not Monzo requires you to have a social security number, SSN, in order to open an account. So, let's get right into it and find out the answer. Does Monzo require SSN? The answer is no. Monzo does not require you to have a social security number in order to open an account. In fact, Monzo is available to people from all over the world, not just the United States. So, if you're looking for a challenger bank that doesn't require you to have a SSN, then Monzo is a great option. What are the benefits of using Monzo? There are a number of benefits to using Monzo, including no monthly fees. Monzo doesn't charge any monthly fees for your account. Free international spending. You can use your Monzo card to make purchases and withdraw cash in over 40 countries around the world without any fees. Real-time notifications. You'll get notified instantly whenever you make a transaction, so you can keep track of your spending. Easy-to-use app. The Monzo app is very user-friendly and makes it easy to manage your finances. How to open a Monzo account? Opening a Monzo account is easy. All you need to do is download the Monzo app and follow the instructions. You'll need to provide your name, address, date of birth, and email address. You'll also need to take a selfie to verify your identity. Once you've completed the verification process, you'll be able to start using your Monzo account. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Monzo does not require you to have a social security number in order to open an account. This makes it a great option for people from all over the world. If you're looking for a challenger bank that offers a variety of features and benefits, then I highly recommend checking out Monzo. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and keep learning. Additional information. In addition to the information above, here are some other things to keep in mind about Monzo. Monzo is a UK-based bank, but it is available to people from all over the world. Monzo offers a variety of different accounts, including personal accounts, joint accounts, and business accounts. Monzo is a member of the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, FSCS, which means that your money is protected up to £85,000. Monzo has a good reputation for customer service. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.